left Anytime Fitness. Gonna go get ready to meet Mike. He's actually coming to the house from Backyard Shenanigans. He is gonna pick up a set of rear tires and rims for his hot rod that he's building. We got Mike from Backyard Shenanigans picking up a new set of rims and tires for his hot rod.
Oh yeah, she's gonna be bad, man. These things are light, 14 inches wide.
It's gonna be kind of sad to see him go, honestly. But they're going to a good home.
Absolutely, they're gonna get used. They're gonna be ripped off. I'm gonna stretch a small tire on them, actually.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Nice.
That's the new thing in the new approach to this. So we're gonna.
You could take them out on that and do a big old burnout with those tires, and then switch them.
That's a meat on there, ain't it? How big are these tires?
It should, I think, 32 by 14 15s.
Okay, those are monsters, man. Yeah, I appreciate you guys.
Yeah.
You definitely hooking it up there.
You got a little Vega that you're putting together?
Yeah, dude. I found this thing for $500.
$500.
$500.
A $500 race car. That's unheard of.
You can't beat it. It's a round tube chassis guard, and I found it. It's all rusted out, and just the body's really rusted.
Yeah.
But the frame itself, it was painted, and so fortunately, it's all pretty savable, I think. So
right.
I've just been sanding on it. I'm gonna paint up. I got the front end all sanded, painted.
Nice.
Like a rebuild in a can. You know what I mean? And so let's get it all together. We got the front end done. I got a badass rear end for it. No, sorry, I didn't mean to cuss here.
No, you're good. It's not like I'm getting paid for it anyway. Right, so
you will be soon, there.
I sure hope so. Yeah, one of these days.
Pretty sweet 9-inch for it, all strange stuff. Axles,
nice.
Third member, and I got that for $1,500.
$1,500. That's.
The goal is I'm seeing how cheap I can get this car into the 7 seconds for the quarter.
Right.
Yeah, I mean, hopefully not the 8th.
I mean, I think they did a TV series, a YouTube series, and I think they had like a $10,000 budget, and it was like 4 teams.
Yeah. It's called Horsepower Wars.
Yeah, and like Lyle Barnett, and
that's where they make beer money.
Yep, and I think they went low 8s with that car.
All in the 8s. Right.
So you're gonna do disclosed power plan, or is that secret?
Oh, yeah. I dropped that motor off at the machine shop on the way up here, actually. Yeah, got a 6-liter LS iron.
6-liter LS.
I got halfway here, realized I forgot the crank.
So,
because I was gonna use a factory crank,
right.
Just do rods and pistons, but I'm taking it as a sign that I'm just gonna stroke it, man.
Yeah,
I ain't going back for no
mine
crank.
as well.
Ain't going back for no crank, you know what I mean?
Nah. God was like, you know what, man, you're gonna stroke that LS.
That's right. You know what? More Q, we can't just. We're going old school, man. No replacement for display.
Nope.
Well, you know I got an Android. I can't just do it with my phone.
Is it recording? I hate to sound like a boomer.
There we go.
All right,
we're recording.
All right.
All right, dudes.
Let's see if you can get in there.
I think I can probably get in there. We'll see.
I mean, you're doing pretty good.
All right. I'm like a gymnast.
There you go. Yeah, you need to go to the gym to get this thing.
Woo, baby. Woo. What's up, dude? PROMOD Mike in the house. You know what I'm saying?
PROMOD. I mean, you look pretty good in there.
Yeah, I tell you what.
You want to put that steering wheel on there?
Could I?
Thing is,
you rested on there?
Yep.
Oh, okay.
And then when I let go of the trans brake,
Which one's the trans brake? Is it the red one or the green one?
The one on your right.
This is your trans brake?
Yep.
Okay, what's this one?
Line lock.
Oh, okay, cool. Yeah, dude, this thing is intimidating. It's a very large car too. Like in here, like it's quite a lot of room.
And then up there is the parachute handle.
Oh, okay, right here.
Yeah, that's the parachute. And then the switch panel there.
Oh, dude, this is so trick. This
and
is
then
crazy. What's this one for?
That one's actually the purge, and then the switch there fell out. I was sitting there at the starting line clearing it out, right?
Yeah.
And the switch fell out as I was clearing it out. Like the bolt came out or the nut. I'm like, what the hell?
Oh man. Yeah, dude, this is oh, this one right here. I got you. Man. So ignition, fuel.
Yep.
Fans.
Yep. The water and the fan come on at the same time.
Oh, that's nice. That's good. What's this one for? It's just head.
It's kind of just an accessory. The one on the far right is my 3-step for the burnout.
Oh, you have a 3-step, so you just floor it in your burnout.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, that's cool.
Well, with the tonal ram, it's a lot hard. Like, it's not hard, but it's pretty much wide open with a tonal ram setup. Dang. Because the linkage is, I mean, there's so much linkage. Mm-hmm. It's hard to, you know, kind of like feather it in a way.
That makes sense. You got two 1050s on it?
1250s.
1250s, dang. Big old 4500 plate, I'm sure, right?
Yep.
That's damn, this thing is just nuts, man. I ain't ever sat in something like this. Is this shifter where it goes and everything?
Yep.
Oh, dude.
We have it shifting on time.
Oh,
so
it probably shifts on its own, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, okay, that's
yep.
trick.
There's a little air solenoid on the back right there.
It's all good. We got yours, right?
But yeah.
Yeah, dude. I appreciate you having me sitting this thing. This is crazy, man.
Backyard Shenanigans on YouTube.
Yeah, absolutely. Where were we at? Oh, right there. Backyard Shenanigans.
Go or blow. That's what you're fixing to do.
Something's going to happen.
Something that will happen.
Absolutely.
Boxing up some orders. Some used part orders and stuff like that for the day. And I got this strange 35 spline 1480 yoke. Pretty nice piece, brand new, never been used. This is normally on our new open box section of the website. Look at that, big old 1480 set up for some big horsepower, 35 spline. Go ahead and get it boxed up. Today, Sally is going under the knife. We are going to be pulling the motor out because it needs refreshed. It has aluminum rods, and if you guys are, you know aluminum rod engine, 78 to 80 runs, pull her out, put new rods in it, and refreshing it. I am going to rewire the car because one, it needs it. And this is a prime example right here that fell out on our last pass a couple weeks ago at Brainton. So I look like a Twitch streamer. Look like I'm gonna go live on like Twitch or like Facebook Live. I mean, I guess that's not a bad idea. Hey, you know, follow me on, I don't have a Twitch, but gonna need this summer. It's hot here in Florida. First step, headers off. That's your favorite barbecue sauce?
Also my favorite place to eat.
You do like Sonny's. FYI, I hate bread, like, as a side.
and there is 2 drag racers sitting behind us. I have no idea who they are.